In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ticktick notes. If you're looking to streamline your note-taking process and want a digital tool that specializes in organization and easy access, you've come to the right place. Ticktick provides an excellent platform for keeping your notes systematic and searchable. And today, I've got some tips and tricks to help you get the most out of it. Let's start by creating a dedicated note list. Unlike tasks, notes in Ticktick live in special note lists, offering a separate environment that's specifically tailored for note-taking needs. To begin, navigate to the left sidebar of your Ticktick interface. Here, you'll want to click on the Add List button or look for a pluses icon, which allows you to initiate a new list. When naming your list, choose something intuitive that resonates with its contents, such as meeting notes or reference materials. Once that's settled, search for the List Type option, which may require you to expand a menu labeled More or Unfold. Change the type from Task List to Note List and affirm your selection by clicking Save or Create. Notably, your new note list will have a distinct icon, often resembling a sheet of paper, which helps you distinguish it from the traditional task lists quickly. Moving on to adding and editing notes in your newly created note list, the process is straightforward. To add a note, you can either use the Quick Add option by clicking the input box or tap on the Add Note button, typically represented by a pencil or plus sign. Once you've started a new entry, the first line you type generally becomes the title of your note, followed by the body content that fleshes out your ideas. An exciting feature of Ticktick Notes is its support for rich text formatting and markdown, which allows you to style your notes for better visual clarity. To do this, utilize the formatting menu, usually marked by an underlined A or a similar icon, where you can apply styles like bold, italic, headings, or highlights. If you prefer writing in markdown, you can use shortcuts like #gaz for headings or wrap words in Ticktick to make them bold. Additionally, Ticktick allows you to attach images, recordings, or files to your notes, which can be a great way to enrich the information you store. Do note that premium users might have higher limits for such attachments. To help keep your notes easily searchable and categorized across different lists, you can add tags, just like you would with tasks, by including tags that suit the content's theme or purpose. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to create, organize, and enhance your notes within Ticktick. Whether you're using it for personal reflection, work projects, or simply to keep track of information, these features are tailored to make your digital note-taking experience as smooth and efficient as possible.